Nike, very big brand, very big company, sell shoes.
You don't say.
They got athletes, endorsements. They got red boxes, all kinds of boxes. I actually don't wear that many Nikes.
Not anymore, no.
Did you ever call it Nike?
Why? No.
Some
Never
people,
occurred to me.
some people call it Nike.
Who?
Yeah, in the UK, I think they call
that
it
a
Nike.
thing?
I don't know. Pair of Nikes. You can see why it's Nike.
Sure.
It's like the Porsche thing. Well, you want to call it Nike? Call it Nike. I don't get offended. Whatever. I call it Nike. Nike's going to pull its products from Amazon, and this is interesting to me because obviously Amazon, enormous, big player, huge. We talk about them all the time. Changing the game. Game done changed.
Mm-hmm.
Game will never be the same.
It's a done deal.
Yeah, my God, the dominance, bananas. You think about all the things you buy on Amazon. For me, it's a problem. I'm just clicking around. I'm clicking, and then things show up at my house.
Yes.
See, the problem with that, though, probably from Nike's perspective, pulling all their products from there, is that they don't own very much of the experience, the customer experience. The customer could just as easily flip to some other brand because it's super convenient. They're already on Amazon.
Right.
They got the suggested products. Oh, you like this Nike sneaker? You might also like this Ultra Boost. You see, Nike doesn't make Ultra Boost. Well, you should know.
Yes. Big fan.
You're wearing a pair right now, so you should know.
Yeah.
The athletic brand will stop selling its sneakers and apparel directly on Amazon's website, ending a pilot program that began in 2017. They have been pivoting a lot recently, Nike, trying to become one with the times. The times are changing in almost every segment. It's not just tech. Everything's tech now. Even apparel, even sneakers. You go to Nike's website, it's all a lot of stuff. I did the custom Nikes at one time. That's another avenue they can go down. They can control a lot of the experience and own the relationship completely on their own e-commerce platform. Now, in 2017, they probably thought, hey, we should have some kind of Amazon footprint. But as you know, Amazon, they take a big chunk too, take a big piece of the margin, up to 30% in some cases. It's like almost a retail margin going on there. Nike doesn't have to give that up. They feel like their brand is big enough. They feel like their brand doesn't need it. I mean, they didn't say this. Look, they pulled it from Amazon. So obviously they believe that to be true. As part of Nike's focus on elevating consumer experiences through more direct personal relationships, we've made the decision to complete our current pilot with Amazon Retail. We will continue to invest in strong, distinctive partnerships for Nike with other retailers and platforms to seamlessly serve our consumer globally. You see that? Well, if you work for a big corporation, you start talking like that. You get a job at Nike, all of a sudden your words come out like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I probably didn't even write it. I just had to sign it, right? Other people wrote it.
Oh, they just gave you
And I
the
was
they
just
gave
like,
you the sheet.
Yeah, I approve.
The words come up in the boardroom.
Yes.
But what I'm saying is you get into the groove of seeing the statements, and all of a sudden all your conversations start going. You're out for drinks with friends, and
just super corporate.
that's what happens.
Yeah.
You say, I'm Willie Doo, and I'm interested in elevating the experiences of this evening, and therefore I'll order another beverage.
Everyone just walks away.
Yeah, it probably wouldn't work at the bar, but anyway, it works great for corporations. So anyhow, it's been this constant kind of evaluation going on. It was always a pilot program, but that's pretty long for a pilot program. And the benefits of being on Amazon are obviously pretty well understood. It's this tremendous reach that's available to brands that are on Amazon. It's the comfort that an individual has of pulling the trigger on Amazon to order something with the Prime and the free shipping, and they've already got an account. I mean, everybody has an account on Amazon. So obviously you could potentially be introducing some friction for your brand. You remove it from the retailer. But a company the scale of Nike, they probably don't want to give too much power to the retailer because they don't have to, where some other brands might. And so we'll see how it works out for them. One thing I will say, their own online presence, if you head to their e-commerce platform, Very slick. A very cool experience, man. You're definitely not on Amazon. Tell you what. So if they get you over here, if they get a guy like Kirk on this website, he's leading with something. He's exactly, because it's kind of a, man, it just feels like a slicker place to be. And I get it. Amazon has to be everything for everyone. So obviously it's a bit more noisy. But Nike is just a brand of a different scale, and they're making the bet that they don't need Amazon. Now, important to note, all Nike products will not evaporate off Amazon. They just won't be there in an official way. There will always be the third-party sellers and things like this that will probably post stuff there, and there's nothing Nike can really do to stop that, or I don't believe they intend on stopping that. But as far as being in a big way, getting their product out to the world, this is the way they want you to do it. So you go check out Nike for yourself, and you tell me down in the comments if you feel like this is a good move or a bad move, and maybe for you as a customer, if you prefer the convenience of being able to get it off Amazon, or if you don't care creating an account on Nike.com. It's up to you. I noticed they got other brands at the top too. You have Jordan, you have Hurley, and you have Converse. So Nike, they got all kinds of things. Well, you don't even know what they got.